Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making fresh, sweet corn on the cob.
This recipe is sweet, simple, and always a crowd pleaser. When these are in season where I live, you can find these at roadside stands, farmers market, and the grocery store.
Fresh, sweet, and incredibly easy, this boiled corn on the cob recipe is a summertime favorite. It's ready in minutes and is the perfect side dish for grilled burgers, hot dogs, barbecued chicken, and all your favorite cookout meals.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make corn on the cob.
The first thing I'm going to do for this recipe is prepare the corn. Fresh picked corn is the sweetest, so if possible, buy the corn the same day it was picked. Husk and remove the silks from as many ears of corn as you want to cook. And this is usually a part that the kids like to get involved in. When you're picking your corn, the husk should be bright green, slightly moist, and tightly wrapped. The corn silks are the strands that are sticking out of the top. There will be one silk going to each kernel. When the corn's growing, the silk is pollinated and it's going to grow one kernel of corn. When you're picking your corn, these should be light brown or golden. And while I'm cleaning my corn, I have a large pot of water coming to a boil on the stovetop. There should be enough water to fully submerge the ears of corn. Carefully add the cleaned sweet corn to the pot of boiling water. Then, once the water comes back up to a boil, allow it to cook 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the ears of corn from the water with some kitchen tongs and set them aside on a platter for any excess water to evaporate off. And my corn on the cob is ready to serve hot and fresh. My favorite way to serve this seasonal side dish is rolled in plenty of butter and seasoned with salt and pepper, but you can serve it with your own favorite toppings or seasonings. This classic corn side dish is gently cooked until perfectly tender and juicy. This fun side dish is family friendly and one of the best ways to enjoy sweet corn during corn season. This is a must-have for your seasonal recipe collection.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.